Hello everyone, I am Sathvika, currently pursuing my BTech third year in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering at Aditya University. I am really thrilled and excited to share this news with you all that I have been selected for summer internship at Walmart Global Tech in Chennai with monthly stipend of 1 lakh rupees. This is a huge milestone for me. It is not just an internship, but it is a chance for me to deep dive into real-world projects and sharpen my problem-solving skills and also to grow my professional tech environment. I'm especially looking forward to collaborate with teams and understanding how the large-scale solutions are built in the industry. I'm incredibly grateful to Aditya for supporting me throughout my journey. From the beginning, Aditya University has offered top-notch training, hands-on coding practices, and also the environment which consistently supported to do better. The guidance of my faculty is helped me to build strong foundation in tech. Being part of Aditya University really shaped my life. Thank you for being part of my journey. Thank you.